This is Classical Conversations Week 13 Science Experiment from the VanCleaves book. We're looking at number 86. Where did it go? So what are we going to work through is our scientific method, okay? The purpose is to illustrate whether pockets of space between water molecules. So we're going to go over our materials with our students: water, rubbing alcohol, and cylinder tubes. So you're going to have water. I'm going to add some blue food coloring just so that you can see the water a little bit better, like 4 drops maybe in a whole water bottle. Just so that you can see this experiment a little bit better later. So blue water. So this is a very precise measuring experiment. We don't want to just guesstimate like just cooking some random recipe. This is science, so we're going to measure all the way up to our 50 line, okay? And then with our rubbing alcohol, we're going to take 50 and 50. So this is a good time for you to pause and ask your students, what do you think would happen? Or what's 50 plus 50? We'll practice our math skills, right? Okay, so if you can look close, show them, let them see closely. 50 and 50. What should 50 and 50 equal? It should equal 100. But we're going to see and ask them, do your questioning and see what they think. So we're going to mix these together and hope that it works. Okay, so if you look really close, it came up just below that 100 line, okay? So then we're going to say, what? Wait, 50 and 50, that's 100. How did it not come up to the line? So we're going to talk and explain to them about the air pockets within the water molecules. The connection of water molecules forms small empty pockets. See this little diagram? These pockets are filled with alcohol, causing the combined volume to be less than 2 of the full measurement. So there is some great stuff on CCC, thank you Nicole, and even Cornerstone has some great examples and more explanations on why those water molecules do the way they do. And if you want to do some add-on experiments, we have take the rocks in a container and fill it up and say, oh, is this container full? And your students will be like, yeah, it's really full. Well, wait, what if I have sand? Oh, I can still add sand to it, right? Now is it full? Yeah, it looks full. Well, what if I took water? You can still add more. So there's still air pockets within that cup, even though it appears as though it is full. Another experiment that you can do is take sugar. So this is 250 milliliters of sugar. And then let's take 250 milliliters of water. And if you have your VanCleaves book, this is actually number 85, how much? So 250, 250, what is that, glass? Which I'm running through all this really fast just for the video. You guys can do this slower in class. Wait a second, it's not 500. Why is that? So there was air molecule pockets within that sugar. So that will give them those examples to go off of. Thanks.